Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about arrays. Okay, so it is very fundamental concept in programming language. In today's video, we will learn three things: what is an array, why we use them, and how to work with them. So let's begin. So if in a journal I talk about arrays, so what are arrays? So in journal, arrays are arrangement or preparing something. Okay, so this is the general meaning of array. And if we talk about in a programming language, array are collection of variables of similar data type which are organized by index. So what it does mean? So it does means if we create any integer array in programming language, then we can store only integer value inside that, like that. Okay, and if we create any string value array, then we can store only string value inside that. Okay, separated by comma. Okay, not exactly like this we create an array, it is just an example. So we are doing an arrangement of something, right? In programming language we are doing arrangement of variables. Okay, variable, we are storing these values one by one. Okay, and these values are stored in if you want to store or access these values, then we can do by indexing. We have indexing, we have indexing. So indexing always start from 0, always start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if I want to access this 1, then I need to pass 0 index. And if I want to pass 2 here in integer array, then I need to use indexing 1. Okay, so let's see how to create in array in programming language. So in programming language there are two ways, okay, Hana, to create array. So we will see first way. Okay, so how to create, first we will create an array, integer array. So we need to pass int, then open bracket, close bracket, square, not curly brackets, and then we will give our integer array name. So we will give number. Okay, and is equal to new, then int, open bracket, close bracket, comma. Okay, then here you can see here one error is coming. So what error it is telling? Array creation must have array size or array initializer. Okay, so we need to pass here the size of array, how many values we want to store this number integer variable. So as of now we want to store only one value. Okay, so I am passing here 1. So now this is the way we create integer array. Now how to assign value to this integer array? So how I can assign? I will pass number, then open bracket, close bracket is equal to, I will pass 22. Okay, so it is giving error. What error it is giving? Number variable must is used like a type. Okay, so what it does mean? So it is telling us that you 22 where you want to store, at which index you want to store. So I want to store at 0 index. Okay, as I told you, indexing start from 0, so error is vanish. Now I want to print this value. So how I can print? Using console dot write line, then 0 index. Let's run this. Visual Studio is now compiling our project to check any issue exists or not. See here, you can see hello world 22 is printed. So now what we will do, check this array can store a second value or not. Okay, so I will pass number 1, index 1. I want to store 23 at index 1. Second value I want to check. See, it is giving error index out of range exception. So what it does means, it means that this integer array can store only one value, okay, not more than one. So it means that array are fixed in size. Okay, arrays are fixed in size. Okay, so once we create a size of array, we cannot increase the size of array. Okay, but if you want to work with a collection for which array size can increase or decrease, then you can use list and dictionary. Okay, okay, depending on requirements. So if you want a video on list and dictionary, then comment in below comment box. I will create a video for you. Okay, now this is the first way to create a integer array. So here what we are doing, first we are creating integer array variable, then we are assigning the value. Now in second way, what we will do, we will create integer array, and as well as we will assign the value in the same line. So how we can do that, I will show you. Int, and I will pass open bracket close bracket, then our variable name we will take as a age. Okay, now curly bracket open bracket close bracket, then here I can pass the values. So age would be 30 comma 32 comma 35. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to print the value 35. So how I can print? Using indexing, I can print console dot write line. So it is 35 on which index? It is, yes, so 30 will start from 0 1 2 2. So we will run and check. Okay, okay, we need to remove this. Now we will run again. See, 22 and 35 printed. So this is the second way to create integer array. Similarly, you can create a string array as well. So here is a one more question, is that why we use this array. So it is very simple. If you observe while doing the coding, you have created multiple variables. Okay, for similar data type. Suppose I want to print age of 5 people. Then what you will do? You will create individually int age 1 is equal to 22. Similarly, for second person age you want to print, then third person age value want to print, you will do like this, right? So to avoid this scenario, we are using array, and accessing these values fast, we are using this arrays. Okay, this is the answer of why we are using arrays. Okay, and you also learned how to work this arrays. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, and if you have learned something, then like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Keep coding. Bye bye.